In this video, I'll show you how to shift a BMW X1 E84 out of park without turning the ignition on, using a mechanical method. This car has a 2.0 diesel engine, and in this case, there is no need to go under the car. Everything can be done quickly from inside the cabin. First, remove the gear selector trim. You can lift it up easily by hand, just enough so it doesn't get in the way. You will need a simple screwdriver. Under the trim, you will see a small aluminum locking tab. This is the shift lock mechanism. Using the screwdriver, carefully lift the locking tab upward. While holding it up, you can move the gear selector from park into neutral or any other gear. This is a simple and quick method to release the transmission from park without ignition. That's it. For more car repair and location videos, check out my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.